What's going on, everybody? Joe Staiber from Staiber Consulting here. I wanted to make a quick shout out for BandsOffAds. Not only did they send me this awesome hoodie, but they are also one of the best teams out there to design your ads for your e-commerce business. Look, as a marketing agency for e-commerce owners, we handle just about everything in-house. Product research, website design, copywriting, Facebook ads, retargeting, all forms of paid advertising. The one thing we do not do in-house is the actual design of our ads. Why? Because BandsOffAds produces amazing quality content for a very low price, and I could not be more satisfied with their service. Now, every product isn't going to sell, but for every winning product that we have had, our best margins have come from the creatives that we have had produced by BandsOffAds. They're amazing, they're streamlined, they're quick, they're easy. If you have any problems, they're super quick to solve it, and they're just an amazing, amazing team. So thank you, Sharif. Thank you, BandsOffAds team. I appreciate all your love and support. Thank you for helping me make a successful e-commerce store time and time again. Work with them.